didn't know that? Jupiter. Bye. You and me. What?
Studio light.
Turn on the studio lights. Yes, this is what I'm saying, Kenji. Kız Kenji beni andı. 2 dakika ayrı kalamadık, görüyor musunuz? Best friendlik böyle bir şey işte. O da yukarıda yoga klası veriyor. Hasbam. Inhale. Exhale. Let it go. Everything is okay. Böyle bir modda. İyi. Ben de çekimini yapıyorum falan filan. Şeyliğini yapıyorum onu. Efendime söyleyeyim. Yes. But our topic is different right now. Wait ya. You said sorry. Allah Allah. Wait a little bit. 7 March 2023. We started rooftop almost 1 month ago. We are at the final stage, ladies and gentlemen, right? We are at the final stage.
Of course.
Almost there. So where we are going today?
We are going to buy some carpets, plants, and some fancy things.
I didn't know that. Some fancy things?
Yeah, like some.
Decorations.
No, not decoration.
Decorations.
Say like soft cups.
How you call it? Fancy stuff. It's not fancy. It's a need, man.
Yeah, it's
We need that.
borders.
This is not, I was thinking like house decoration. We're gonna get some paintings or blah blah blah.
Before we have some works like we repair our washing machine.
Always. Santa is our everything. If we need painting, Santa is here. If we need electrician, Santa is here. If we need someone fix our lovely laundry machine, who is here? Santa is here. No need to fear, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah,
Okay, so we are going Matara. You like it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try again. You remember yesterday we went and nothing happened, but so many things happened also. We enjoyed, right? Yesterday it was a nice day.
Basically, we eat something.
Yes, clean and tomorrow cleaning. Santa is coming also. Santa is coming also tomorrow.
This guy, yeah.
This guy is coming tomorrow. Yes.
Yes.
On the camera. Promise.
Yes.
Gitme beni böyle çaresiz koyma. Gitme. Santa sana şarkılar yazdım, geri dönmedin Santa. Beni elin Sri Lankalarında Yıldız Tilbe gibi bıraktın Santa. Öyle olsun. I'm bored ya.
Let's go.
Let's go ben. Geri dön, geri dön. Ne olur geri dön. Uzanıp tutuver elimi bir gün. Utanır diyemem, ne olur geri dön. Geri dön, geri dön. Santa, I'm singing for you. Ne olur geri dön. Çok öyle mutlu bir şarkı değil de, it's not a happy song. Kitty and Santa, everybody meet at the exact same time, at the same point. Of course, at the laundry machine point. Maybe I should do this laundry machine. I hope the lighting is nice. When I saw it first time, no. When I saw him first time, I couldn't believe my eyes. Are you here too? Really? Hadi, say it, boy. They need to know. They were trying to ask me if I'm lesbian.
But I didn't ask you at once because it's like if somebody's asked, like they get angry, like you are you lesbian
Why?
or something like?
Lesbian is nice.
Huh?
Two
Maybe,
girls,
I don't
you know. No man. Ay. Very nice. Why to get angry? Ay, where we are going again, ladies? And look. Such
Look,
a nice
accidents.
tuk. No accidents, man. Allah, bu da ya.
Allah bu da ya.
I use Allah and Buddha in the same sentence, but I didn't mean Buddha. Allah bu da ya dedim. Allah'ı da anladı, Buda'yı da anladı. Ama yanlış anladı. So they can have 7 wife.
Yeah.
One man can
One man can.
7 wife
7.
here, huh?
woman-
Legally. Legal.
Legally for Muslims, right? Not Sinhalese. It's common thing. I think Arabi also like same like.
No, it's 4. In Islam, I know man
4?
can have 4 wife. Good luck. Yes, sometimes having one wife can make your life.
But their husbands like with the others. Is that okay for you or
No,
not?
I'm
that?
asking as a human. Like, it's not country or religion. Like as a human, would you like to share your
No.
wife with another 6 men?
No,
Why?
no, I don't like. Anyway, I don't like share my. If I have a girlfriend or wife, share with the others.
Common sense. Allah. Do they open everything? This would be so nice. Get it. Come. Buy this. Don't call me babe. Wallahi I will like slap your ass out. I am not your babe. I am nobody's babe, okay? This is a fucking... Oh my god, this is a heaven. It's amazing. Wow. I'm so excited. Gebertirim ha.
1 meter.
How much?
1 meter 8.
Table. Like this, like this. Kush, kush, kush. 5.
දාන්න එකකට දාන්න. අඩි 3යි නේ තියෙන්නේ. අඩි 3 කල් 3යි. නෑ උස තියෙනවා. උස කල් 5. දෙකකට දාන්න. දෙකකට දාන්න බෑ. අඩි. ඔය 60 දාන්න බෑ. එහෙම දාන්න නෑ. නිකන් උඩට.
Allah Allah. How many?
You know?
Go. See. Go. Hey.
Let's go, babe.
Don't call me babe. Allah. Sensin babe. So nice. No. Yok, this is for fruit. Very. Wind. It's nothing to do what I'm looking for. You look very dedicated. Look at how he's looking. Wow.
Okay.
Thank you so much, yeah. You were very dedicated. Nice. Very nice. Thank you. Smile one time to camera. Smile. Ay şimdi dedim getir arabayı sen. Ben de bakıyorum işte bir şeyler var mı? Yürüyorum. Göstereyim şöyle size. Hiç de bir şey yok. Yok anam. Bu neymiş? Yok.
Where are you from? Germany?
Bye bye. Haydi geçtik. Haydi tak. Yediler beni. I'm going Jupiter. Bye. Finally you came. It took 1 year.
Where are you went, babe?
Don't call me babe. Babandır babe. Bu arada hemen size bir güncelleme yapayım. Just because he was keep saying the same word. Babe. Bebeğim. Bana. Ana avrat. düz gitmek suretiyle senin bebeğine demedim onu işte. Demedim. So what did I do? I block him.
Ciao, Mali. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
We found the store. Done. Yalnızım dostum. Oh, do you want cognac? Some cognac? Where are you recording? Bak.
Nice.
Oh, this is amazing. You can make them black.
Okay.
And it's so cheap as you like. And we put the candle here and chuk chuk chuk. Yeah, I buy some.
This?
It's 30.
But it's not going to work.
Let's walk more.
Guys, the back camera, man. Sorry, front camera.
You are recording already. What is this eye lock? And then we bought this. He's asking for us if he can do discount. You know my Turkish chin. What are we going to eat?
KFC, man.
Again?
KFC.
Again. Again. Again.
KFC.
Again.
KFC.
Again.
Yeah, actually, I don't collect more things because
Chrissy, what happened to your accent?
no, I put always like Turkish style. I love Turkish style. Right? Going to KFC.
Kerrepsi ne ya?
Burger.
Burger.
Namaste. Chalo.
Let's go! This is what I'm saying. Chalo. Who came out? He will do. This guy will do. Yes. Not me de. This guy. Yeah? Yes. Yes? Okay. Thank you. Let's gidiyorum. I'm going. Today we changed the menu. If you wonder why is this here, because of we are going again.
All broken things.
This time we are on a mission to find the right plants.
So emotional. Tak. Tungguin ya ini.
Motor gibi konuşuyor be. Ceza mısın be birader? Ceza mı oluyor be?
That road, right? Itu gila gue. Not bad.
No, thank you. Nobody knows, Santa. Your store, nobody knows.
Santa.
What did you do to us?
But no. Main road ke tama.
Main road, we are main road teki.
Main road.
Main road teki, we are. Ya, you can turn from
No.
here ya.
No space.
Abi, what no space? 1 kilometer here.
Police catch man.
Ya ver polis, Allah'ım her şeye bir şey ya. Yes. Allah'ım ya, söylüyorum bunlar kullanamıyor. Büyütüyorlar olayları yani. Dönsene.
1 minute.
Dönüversene ya şöyle. We are looking for plant but we found some locals. Playing with kites. You can go slowly. Hi.
Uncle.
Hello.
පුතේ අර මල් පැල විකුණන්නේ කොතනද?
චිත්‍රන්තිලා උඩහ.
උඩහද?
උඩ ගෙදර.
Ha,
Okay.
okay. Hiç
ඒ පාර
anlamıyorum.
කවුරු?
Gidiyoruz hayırlısı inşallah. Rottweiler'ları falan yoktur da. Kıtlamasın bizi. Nerede? Where is it bro? My little bro. Show me.
දිගටම යන්න ඕන.
We go more, huh? Okay, done. Hi. Ya buraya biz arabayla nasıl gireceğiz Allah'ını seviyorsan ya. Bu buradan nasıl dönecek haydi bakalım. Hayırlı işler. Hi. Gel kız. Ne güzel. hala gülüyor, gel. Gel anam gel, sen yetkili bir ablaya benziyorsun, gel. Gelişinden bellidir Cevriyem,
sende kara sevda var. Morene fosforlum, sende kara sevda